It is my most sorrowful duty to announce to you the death of my beloved mother, the Queen. I know how deeply you, the entire nation, and I think I may say the whole world, sympathize with me in the irreparable loss we've all suffered. It is the greatest consolation to me to know of the sympathy expressed by so many to my sister and brothers, and that such overwhelming affection and support should be extended to our whole family.
This is an emergency broadcast from the BBC at the request of His Majesty the King. All TV stations in the United Kingdom and Commonwealth realms have interrupted their regular programming to broadcast His Majesty King Charles III's address to the nation and Commonwealth realms. Since this message is being transmitted through our emergency alert system, to ensure the message is seen by every subject of His Majesty, the speech will not be delivered by His Majesty, but by our emergency alert system. Please stand by. I speak to you, my subjects, with feelings of profound sorrow. Throughout her life, Her Majesty the Queen, my beloved mother, was an inspiration and example to me and to all my family. However, her handling of decolonization, and her inaction seeing the British Empire crumble into pieces, made her reign of the United Kingdom a failure. She oversaw the United Kingdom from being a major superpower, to now being the laughingstock of the civilized world. I am determined to do whatever it takes to bring the United Kingdom back to its former glory. Empowered by ancient decree, I do, as King of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland and my other realms and territories, use my royal prerogative to dissolve the parliaments of all my territories at once. Beginning from tomorrow at 6 o'clock in the morning, every British citizen must swear loyalty to the Crown, to me and to my decisions as leader of this great empire. After swearing loyalty to the Crown, all able-bodied people from 16 to 50 years of age must report to their local authorities for military conscription to the British Armed Forces. This land shall no longer be known as the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, but as the newly formed British Empire. As I speak, the British Armed Forces are currently conducting a military operation in Scotland to quell any rebellion and independence movements. I have also sent an ultimatum to Ireland, to give us control of what is rightfully British soil, currently occupied by those traitorous Irishmen, or face the full might of the British Armed Forces by tomorrow afternoon. Protests are now outlawed in all parts of our great empire. Those who wish to defy my laws and my rule over the British Empire, will wish they never done so. They will die a slow, painful death, wishing they hadn't dared disobeying me. The different torture methods will be announced soon. Members of groups such as Extinction Rebellion and Just Stop Oil will pay harshly for the civil unrest they caused to this great empire, and will also wish they never dared to disrupt the everyday life of my subjects. Starting from tonight, a curfew will be in place from 8 o'clock at night to 7 o'clock in the morning. Absolutely no one can leave their homes during this curfew, for whatever reason. Those that disobey this law will be shot on sight. As I already announced, the House of Commons has been abolished. This country is now an absolute monarchy. You, my subjects, have constantly failed to make democracy work. 3 prime ministers in just 1 year shows just how much of a failure you have become. Therefore, effective immediately, the House of Commons and House of Lords are no longer existent, and I will assume the previously ceremonial powers held by the monarch. This is the end of my speech. You will now be given a minute to take a quick glance over the new regulations, and then the BBC will broadcast the national and royal anthem of the British Empire.